Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy CMX Beats, and I'm back and I'm never leaving. Okay, let's get to the video. Today I'll be showing you how to make guitar melodies like a pro, like you're using FL Studio 20 something, but you are using FL Mobile. So yeah, this is the first guitar loop that I made that I wanna share with you. Okay, so bro, like this is very simple. It's just 3 notes: B, B, G. It's like this one, and this one. Then you build on that one, bro. Anything that you feel is the like to your ear is the one, bro. Yeah, just screenshot here, bro. I don't know how you're going to do this, but just screenshot here. Okay, that was the first melody. So like for the second melody, this is the simple one. Okay, so like here, bro, it's just simple chords, bro. It's just simple chords. And yeah, at the end here, instead of going down, let me show you this. I went up. So it's all about like how you feel, bro. Like if you're making melodies and your melodies sound the same all the time, try something new, bro. Even if it sounds like it's wrong, it's right, bro. I don't know, just try something new, bro. Then the third one is this one. Like you see the notes. The first thing that you gotta do like is get the best chord before plugging all the other extra notes. Just make sure like that your chords like are the ones in like instead for in this melody. You see this melody, it's only chords. Then you can build something off of that. That's how you make good melodies and guitars, bro. Let's listen to this one for the last time. Yeah, so like thank you for watching this video. If this video was very helpful to you, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, comment which melody you want me to cook next. If you want these melodies, bro, just WhatsApp me on this number. I'll show it on the screen. Yeah, and I'll also share the link where like I drop all my beats if you wanna buy them. Yeah, thank you. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Just subscribe to the channel, please, bro. Nothing more, nothing less. Just subscribe, bro. Yeah.